Sidmouth is a coastal town in Devon, southwest England. It lies at the mouth of the River Sid, between Peak Hill, west, and Salcombe Hill, east. The town is part of the Jurassic Coast, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The cliffs around Sidmouth are made of red sandstone, constantly eroding. The River Sid is relatively short, about 10.5 kilometers, and is sometimes claimed to be the shortest river in England. In the Domesday Book, Sidmouth appears as Sedamuda, mouth of the Sid, and was part of the manor of Otterton, owned by Mont Saint-Michel Abbey. Sidmouth became a fashionable Regency Victorian resort in the 19th century, with many elegant Georgian and Regency buildings. Queen Victoria was in Sidmouth in the winter of 1819 to 1820, when she was an infant, and her father, Prince Edward, the Duke of Kent, died there in January 1820. The royal family stayed at Woolbrook Cottage, which is now the Royal Glen Hotel, and her visit as a baby is still commemorated there today. Just west of Sidmouth is a striking Ladram Bay with sea stacks formed from red sandstone cliffs, part of the Jurassic Coast. Part of Sidmouth is said to have been lost to the sea due to erosion. The town had a reputation for smuggling in earlier centuries with hidden coves, underground routes, and smuggled goods. According to Sidmouth Parish Council, the population is 14,000 as of the 2021 census. The town has an aging population, far above the national average. Archaeological work has found that the current Victorian church stands on ancient foundations. Excavations revealed traces of a 15th century medieval church and even earlier Norman structures built on beach boulders. Queen Victoria presented the west window to the church in 1867. The third son of Queen Victoria, Prince Arthur, the Duke of Connaught, Field Marshal in the British Army and Governor-General of Canada, visited Sidmouth in 1932 and 1934 when he opened the new gardens, and the town's Connaught Gardens are named in his honor.